Welcome back. In the previous lecture, our function only printed its result, but it did not provide the result back to the main program. For a function to be useful in calculations, it must use the return statement. The return statement is how a function sends a value back to the place where it was called. 1. Using the return statement. To return a result, we use the return keyword followed by the value or variable we want to pass back. Once the return statement is executed, the function immediately stops executing and the value is sent back to the caller. Two, capturing and reusing the result. When calling a function that returns a value, you must assign the function call to a variable. This variable captures the return value. Once captured, the result can be used in further computations, which is the primary reason for using functions for calculation. Three, the default return value. What happens if a function finishes without encountering a return statement? In Python, all functions implicitly return the special value, none. If you call a function that only prints and assign it to a variable, that variable will hold none. To summarize, use return to make your functions true computational tools. Always capture the function call in a variable to make use of the return data. We know how to return one result. Our next lecture 12:04. Return multiple values.
See you there.